students. Today in this video segment I am going to do the chapter decimal fractions, where we are going to do the sums on multiplication of decimal numbers, division of decimal numbers, and the different types of decimals. First we'll begin with multiplication of decimal numbers, in which we are going to multiply the given decimals with 10, 100, 1000. Examples I am taking. For example, we have a decimal, suppose 3.858, and we have to multiply with 10. How to multiply? 3.858. Two ways I am going to tell you. First of all, you can remove this and there will be 3 zeros, because after decimal how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros will be there. We can cancel these. What we got? 3858 by 100. So the final answer is 38.58. So when we multiplied 10 with 3.858, we got the answer 38.58. In other way, we can do like this. Same number, 3.858 into 10. You can see 1 0 is there. So one decimal will be shifted here. So directly you can write like this also. So both the ways are correct. If you get confused during calculation, you can prefer this method, or if you are confident, you can go with this method also. Further, we'll go for multiplication by 100. Next examples in which we are going to multiply the given decimals with 100 and 1000. First, we'll go for 100. The method is same, students, like 17.589 is there into 100. How many digits we have to shift? There are 2 digits, 1, 2, 2 zeros are there. So this decimal has to be shifted this place, 1, 2. So final answer will be 1758.9. Or the second method I told you already. So for 17.589 could be written as 17.589 or 17.589 by 1, 2, 3 digits are there. So 3 zeros will come down into 100 we are multiplying, right? So these zeros will be cancelling. How many zeros left out? 17589 by 10. Only 1 zero is there in denominator, student. So we'll have to place this decimal just after the last digit from right side. So it will be 1758.9. Both the answers are same. The methods are a little different. So I hope you have understood. Similarly, we'll go for the 1000 one. 365.179. So point we will remove. So it will be, how many zeros will be placed in the denominator? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros came. And into what is given? 1000. So these 1000 will be cancelled because same number of zeros are there. So what is the answer? 365.179. So I hope, student, you have understood how to multiply with 10, 100 and 1000 with a given decimal number. Further we'll go for multiplication of decimal number with whole numbers and other decimal numbers. So now, students, we are going to multiply the given decimal with a whole number. Examples, suppose I have taken 1.65 into the whole number 8. two ways you can do. 8 5s are 40 in hand 4, 8 6 are 48 plus 4, 52 in hand 5, point is there, place it. 8 ones are 8 plus 5, how much? 30. In this calculation, if you confuse, you can go like this also. 1.65 into 8. You can keep the decimal or the digits down also like this, because after decimal how many digits are there? 2 digits are there, so 2 zeros will come into 8, and you will multiply these two. What you will get? 1320 divided by 100, which will again give you 13.20. So whichever method is convenient to you, you can go for that. Both are correct. I hope it is clear. Now we'll go for multiplication of the decimal with a other decimal number. So now students, we'll go for the third type of multiplication with another type of decimal. Means one decimal is going to be multiplied with another decimal. In that case, what is going to happen? Because we are not having here 10 or 100 or 1000, we are having another type of decimal with this. So example, I have taken 3.756 into 0.5. Two decimal numbers are going to be multiplied. Let's see what will going to happen. So it will be written as 3756 by 1000, because there are after decimal 1, 2, 3 digits are there, and here it will be 5 by 10. Now simply you will multiply like normal multiplication. 5 6 are 30 in hand 3, 5 5 are 25 plus 3 28 in hand 2, 5 7 are 35 plus 2 37 in hand 3, 5 3 are 15 plus 3, how much students? 18. And there are how many zeros together? 1 2 3 and 4. 1 2 3 and 4. So this 0 will be cancelling this 0. Finally, what we are having the answer? 1878 by 1 2 3. So 3 digits are there. Sorry, 3 zeros are there. So we have to place just after the 3 digits. So 1 2 3. So point will be placed here. So 1.878 students. I hope it is clear. Once again, we have two decimal numbers and we have to multiply these two. So we have removed the decimals and we have placed the zeros, tens or 100 or 1000 in the denominators, and then we have multiplied the numerators together with a simple multiplication rule, and then we have placed the decimals at the end. So I hope it is clear to you students. With the help of this you can start the exercise 4C and you can complete that also. Now we'll go for the division of decimal numbers with different numbers. So now we are going to do the division of decimals with the same process as what we gone for multiplication. So first we have taken the numbers 10, 100, 1000. Examples we can take like this. Suppose we have a decimal 17.896 and we have to divide with 10. Okay students? So we can also write in this way, 17.896 divided by 10. It's very simple. So after removing this point, how many zeros will be placed in the denominators? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 we have placed. So our work became easier. Now we have to see total number of zeros. 1, 2, 3 is 4. So how many digits from right side we have to see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So where the point will be placed? After 1. See 1, 2, 3, 4 and the point is placed here. Very simple. In this way, suppose I take the same number with a number 100. Same procedure will be there. Same procedure will be there. We can write in this way 17.896 and divided by 100. So this point will be removed. How many zeros will be placed again? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have placed comfortably. And now we have to see how many total zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to find that many number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So point will be placed here. So it will be 0.17896. So I hope it is clear, students. Suppose if I take another number. Suppose I take 589.168 divided by, I am taking now 1000. So it will be 589.168 divided by 1000. Remove this point. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros came down. Now total number of zeros you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So decimal will be placed where? Just before 5. So 0.589168. Very simple, students. So I hope you have understood this division of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. Further we'll go for the division of the decimal number with different type of numbers. So now we are going to take a whole number for the division of a decimal number, like we did in the multiplication. So any example we can take. Suppose you have a decimal 15.075, okay, and we have to divide with 5. We have to divide with 5, which is the whole number. Okay, students. So we can write in this way: 15.075 by 5. Okay. Two ways are there. Either you can divide like this if you are confident to go through that. Otherwise, you can go through the proper division method. Both I will tell you. Like if I remove this, how many zeros came? 3 zeros came. And you can cancel this out. 5, you can cancel. How much it will give you? 5 3s are 15. 0 is there, place it. 5 1s are 5. How much left? 2 left. 2 5, 25. 5 5s are 25. So 1000 is there at the bottom. So it will be 1 2 3 1 2 3. 3 digits are there and 3 zeros are there. So it will be 3.015. If you are confident to go through like this, you can do. Otherwise, we can go through the division, proper division. How to do so? See this. Simply, you will divide like you have already divided in the previous classes. So, 5 3s are 15. Cancelled. Point is there, so we have to place the point here, right? So 0 is there, so 0 will be coming. So how much? 75. Then 5. How much? 5 ones are 5. What is left out? 2. And along with that, what will come down? 5. So 5 5s are 25. Again the same result we got, students. So methods are there. You can pick your convenient method, but the correct method. Okay. So next we'll go for the division of the given decimal by another decimal number. So now we are going to do the sum of division of the given decimal by another decimal number. Means two decimal numbers like we have multiplied in the previous segment. Here we are going to divide those. So I am taking an example. Suppose I am taking 25.755 and we have to divide with, suppose, 0.5. Okay students, 25.755 divided by 0.5. So first of all we'll try to sort out the decimals. So I'm picking up the convenient method, which is actually convenient. If you don't feel that convenient, you can go through the proper division as I have done the previous question. So 25.755 divided by what? 0.5. Removing of the decimals. After removing this point, we have only one digit, so we will place 1 0 in the numerator. If you remove this one, how many zeros will be there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros will be placed in the denominator. Fine students. So 1 0 1 0 will be cancelled. Keep this 100. Don't cancel it. Don't cancel it because it will be convenient for you to just place the decimals. Now we have 25.755 by 5 into 1 by 100. Now cancel it out. 5 5 are 25. 5 ones are 5. 2 left. 5 5 are 25 and 5 ones are 5. And divided by what? 100 is there. 1 2 1 2. So 51.51. This is the way we can go through without actual division. Just you need not to bother about the proper division, long division method. If you know the tables properly, you can easily do in this way. We'll do this question again with the proper division method. So now we are going to do the same question with the long division method. First of all, we'll sort out the decimals as we have done. If you remove this, 10 will come. If you remove this, 1000 will come. 1, 2, 3. Cancel it. So 25.755 by how much? 500 students, right? So we can go through the proper division method like this. If you divide 25.755 by what? 500. If you know the tables, if you don't know the tables, we have to multiply. 500 5s are how much? 500 5s are 2500, right? So how much? 75 will come and this 5 will also come. Again 500 1s are how much? 500. What is left out? 2 5 5. Point will be given 0. Again 500 5s are 2500. How much left out? Only 50 left out. Point has been given already, so 1 0 will come. And 500 1s are how much? 500. So we have got the final end of this division and we got the answer 51.51. So both the methods are okay students. Whichever is convenient to you, you can go through that. I have told you both the methods so that you won't be confused, because you may find something in the book, some explanation in the videos, so you may get confused. So on the whole, I have told you the multiplication of the decimal numbers with different numbers, 10, 100, 1000, then whole number, then we have taken another decimal number, and the division also we did in the same way. We took 10, 100, 1000 for dividing, then we have taken a whole number, and then we have taken another decimal number. So these explanations will help you to go through the exercise 4C of Selena Publisher. So I request you all to just complete the exercise 4C. In the next video, we'll be coming to inform you, to tell you the different type of decimal numbers, where you'll understand about terminating decimal numbers, recurring decimal numbers, non-terminating repeating decimal numbers, and so many. So students, I hope it is clear to you. If any doubts will be there, you can WhatsApp me, you can write in the comment box and try to complete the exercise. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.